Looking for a powerful solution to convert Zimbra files into Thunderbird email client? If yes, download the BitRecover Zimbra converter software designed with special features. To know more about the software, please watch the video. In the Welcome window, read all guidelines and then after click on the Next button. Now, the program offers two modes to choose Zimbra data from the saved location. First, let's check the Select File option and browse the required Zimbra files from the saved location. Then, click on Open button. User can also check the Select Folder option to bulk upload Zimbra files in a folder from the saved location. Click on Next button. Now, the software analyzes your chosen file and folder and locate in the software interface. Please mark the checkbox of the required Zimbra folders. Tap on Next to continue the process. Go to Saving option list. There are 30+ saving option. Choose as per requirement. Select Thunderbird option from the list. Tap on Next to continue the process. Conversion completed successfully. Tool convert 25 emails in trial version. Go to Thunderbird account. Here you can see the migrated folder. Click on it. Here you can see the folder hierarchy and converted folder. Click on it as per your need and you can see the migrated emails.